Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I look a little crazy. It is very early in the morning and this week has just been insanely crazy and busy and I haven't had time to film until right now. It's like 6 in the morning. I have a wedding to do today, wedding makeup, so I thought it would be the perfect opportunity to make a video of what's in my kit. So yeah, I'm going to show you everything that I put in my Freelance makeup kit when I have weddings. This is what I use when I have proms. This is just my basic kit. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow all of my social media below. And let's get on with my makeup kit. Okay, so I laid everything out on my desk and let's get started. So obviously I bring 1,000,001 brushes. These are all sanitized and clean, even though they're a little bit stained. But yeah, and I just carry this little Lazy Susan with me because it just makes everything easier. I like to bring some makeup remover just in case. I like to bring this sanitizing mist and I will basically use this to do a quick sanitize between each person of the wedding party. So I will bring makeup wipes or baby wipes just to clean off any excess makeup. Baby wipes are just cheaper and more convenient and work the exact same, and if anything they're more sensitive towards people with sensitive skin, so makeup wipes tend to burn and stuff, so I just get some baby wipes off Amazon. I like to bring some Q-tips just for the inner corner, the watering of the eyes, like it's just good to have them on hand. I like to bring cosmetic sponges because this is how I apply foundation and concealer, like a beauty blender. Now I would love to use a beauty blender on everyone, but that would be so expensive, so I just get the typical cosmetic sponges. Obviously I bring some mascara wands. I like to bring my own hand sanitizer, and this one is bride to be. It's just cute. And yeah, bring your own hand sanitizer. I like to bring 2 hair clips just to pin their hair back on each side if it's a little bit in their face. I like to bring a fan. This is the Patrick Ta one, and this is just to dry setting spray. And you know, it's just an experience being a makeup artist and being like, oh hi, and then fanning them, and I just love it, and it makes a lot of things go by quicker, so always have a fan with me. So that is kind of the extra non-makeup-y stuff that I bring. Now moving on to the actual makeup. For primer, I always bring the Juno & Co. Moonshine Miracle Cream. This is the absolute most amazing primer. It's moisturizing, it's pore filling, it just plumps the skin and it truly just gets the face ready for makeup, so I always have this. This is a primer I bring especially for weddings, the Estee Lauder Illuminating Perfecting Primer. I will mainly use this on the bride because it gives the skin such a gorgeous glow from within. And yeah, I really love this. My favorite foundation is the L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear, so I'll bring a couple shades of that. The Pacifica A Light Clean Foundation. This is a foundation I like to use on more mature skin because it's really dewy. It just looks really pretty on textured or mature skin. I bring some of the Maybelline Superstay foundation just in case someone needs a lot of coverage. It's just good to have on hand. And lastly, for foundation, I bring the NYX Tinted Moisturizer because if I'm doing someone a bit younger, someone like 16, 17 that doesn't really need a full packed on foundation, I will use that on them. Or I will also use this on mature skin just for more natural look. For concealer, I am just obsessed with the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. It's affordable, it's great, it's a comparison to the Tarte Shape Tape, and when you're doing clients, you don't want to be spending $30 every couple weeks on concealer, so I just use this. The black caps are the matte ones, and the white caps are the dewy ones, which I will use on mature skin. This is the setting spray I have been using. This is the NYX Bear With Me Multitasking Spray. Now, I love using powders on myself and clients, so I bring quite a lot. So this is the Juvia's Place White Sands Loose Powder. These two are pure foundation powders, and these two are Maybelline foundation powders. Love them all, love powder. I know a lot of people don't, but I think it just makes the makeup 10 times better. For bronzer, I obviously like to bring an array of bronzers. So I bring my classic Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and 2 different shades of the Alamar Cosmetics Brighten and Bronze Complexion Trios. This is what the light shade looks like, and this is what the darker shade looks like. It's just good to have a lot of shades of bronzers. For blush, I just stick with the Lunar Beauty Moon Prism Blush Palette because clearly this can do it all. Light, dark skin tones, peachy or pink. It's just a great palette for a kit. For highlighters, my favorite are Ofra and Maybelline. I bring the Maybelline one because it's a lot more pink, and if I end up doing a pinky makeup, I will use this. And then I bring this Ofra highlighter for more deeper skin tones. This is in Glow Goals. So yes, I will use this on anyone who is a bit darker. And then this is Ofra's Star Island, and I love using this on my light to medium skin brides. It's just the perfect lit from within shade, and I'm sorry it's like focusing all awkward. But yes, this is my favorite bridal highlight. This is just the Rosebud Salve, and I'll apply this with a brush and just get their lips ready. I will do that when I apply primer, and it's just a good little step to have. For eyebrows, I just use the Morphe eyebrow kit, and again, this works for everyone, and I've never had a problem. I've never did a client and felt like I didn't have their eyebrow shade with this, and it's really affordable. I will do palettes last, so let's do this little section right here. I always bring a switch pan just so I can use the same brush more than once. I always bring some Urban Decay glitter liners just in case anybody requests like a little glitter. These are perfect for that. I bring mascara, normal and waterproof. Obviously the waterproof pretty much goes on the bride and the mother of the bride, but this is the mascara I use, just basic. This is the eyeliner I use. It's just the Maybelline gel eyeliner, and I will use this for all my eyeliner needs. Duo lash glue, some baby scissors for the lashes in case I need to cut them down, some tweezers to help me apply the lashes, and an eyelash curler. Now these are all of the eyeshadow palettes I use. So this is the ColourPop Golden State of Mind. This is just a pure glitter palette. I really don't try to use this because it's really messy, but again, there are those people that just want glitter and a full-blown eye, so I just bring this just in case. These 2 BH palettes I strictly use for the shimmers because the shimmers are just unbelievable. The mattes are awful and they suck, but I literally use them just for the shimmers. And this is the other palette. This is my most used lid shade palette. I bring the Be Perfect Carnival palette just in case anybody requests a pop of color, and it has really good basic shades, and yeah, I just bring this just in case. Kind of the same deal with the Life's a Drag palette. It has really good neutrals, but again, that pop of color in case anybody is feeling a little bit adventurous. This is just great to have, and those 2 shimmers are really pretty. Clearly love the Tati Beauty Volume 1 palette, especially for brides, because obviously like this is just a makeup artist's dream palette for their kit. And then of course I bring the Jaclyn Hill palette. It's just everyone's staple. It's just a must. The shimmer shades, the mattes, everything about this palette is so good. So yeah guys, this is everything that I bring into my kit, and this is my little bag, my little kit. This is actually for the camera I'm using to film this right now, but it works so well as a kit, so that's what I use it for. And for eyelashes, I just get Ardell Demi Wispies, and if they want anything more dramatic or bigger, I tell them to grab them just so they can pick their style. I have to find the eyelashes for today because I'm not sure where I put them. I have to like search my whole closet because I got them weeks ago. And as far as lipsticks, I have them bring their own just so they can touch it up whenever they want to throughout the day and night. Like, that was everything in my makeup kit. Thank you so much for watching. Again, I'm sorry I'm kind of out of it. I'm sorry I look like this. My voice is still a little groggy, but it's very early and I wanted to make sure I had my normal Monday filming routine, so that's why I filmed today. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and follow all of my social media down below, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.